Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Kenworth w900 extended cab day cab to show you. It's built with an ISX Cummins, 500 horsepower, 10-speed, wet kit. I've got it hot today, so I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, tires, brakes, everything that you want to see, just like you're standing here. Let's get started. Body looks good throughout. Got the one scratch on this fender. The real surround looks good. A couple of rock chips up there on the front. A little scuffle on this side. That's about it on the paint side. Body looks good. Steers are great. Southern truck, so there's no rust. Good match virgin rubber, a pinnable fifth wheel there, air slide. Good brakes. Nice factory split tank. Took a video yesterday of the sister one out of detail. You notice these are short hoods, so if you need something get in and out of places a little better than the extended hoods, this is the one. VIT interior. Here's your tower, navigation, extra gauges. It's at 232 on the clock. Great low side oil pressure. Super responsive. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.